An absolutely perfect day at Felsenegg. It's about 804 meters and 23 degrees, feels like 20, and this is a stunning view of Lake Zurich. And if you can see the snow-capped mountains in the distance. Let me see whether I can zoom while I'm live. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Oh my God, yes. Stunning mountain range. And can you hear the church bells in the distance? Oh. Oh, they sound so good. Having a really good time with family at Felsenegg. And what a clear day. Feel really lucky to be here. A small cute restaurant. Super Adda ongoing with everybody. We came here by the cable car, Ma, Didi and I. Minalda, Mashimeshu and Neil came up hiking. It's beautiful. Switzerland is truly beautiful. From whichever angle you look at her from. Really beautiful.